Your final product is sleek, powerful, and innovative. But the journey to get there? It's a complex puzzle of circuit boards, wiring, enclosures, and countless components. You're juggling multiple vendors for sourcing, fabrication, and assembly. Every new partner adds another layer of complexity, another potential delay, and another hit to your budget. This fragmented approach invites risk, mismatched components, quality control issues, and a supply chain that can break at any moment. There has to be a better way to bring it all together. There is. It's called box build assembly. And at Anzer USA, we've perfected it. We go beyond the board, providing a complete, turnkey solution that transforms your complex design into a market-ready product, all under one roof. Our experts handle everything, from system-level assembly and subcomponent installation to the intricate routing of custom wire and cable harnesses. Every connection is precise, every component perfectly placed. We even manage software installation and conduct rigorous final testing protocols to ensure your product performs exactly as designed, right out of the box. The advantage is clear: a simplified supply chain, significantly reduced costs, and a faster time to market. You have a single, accountable partner dedicated to your success from start to finish. Stop juggling vendors and start streamlining your success. Consolidate your manufacturing with a partner you can trust. Visit Anzer-USA.com today to learn how our box build assembly services can bring your product to life, faster and more efficiently.